everyone, I am the teacher of grade 5 at Litera Zee School, Lucknow. Parents always ask me, what exactly does my child learn at MLZS? Today, I am not going to tell you, but I am going to show you. This is the grade 5 LiteraNova Kit from Zila, India's most trusted education brand. And what's inside here isn't just textbooks, it's a complete, carefully designed learning experience for your 10-year-old.
This is Be the Change towards sustainable development growth.
This one is called FLIP, Financial Literacy Program. These are board game kits. It is covering English, Hindi, maths, and EVS. These are DIY kits, do-it-yourself kit, hands-on project in the world around us. This is DCP, Digital Citizenship Programme. It tells us use of technology, online safety, digital ethics. When a child opens this box, something shifts. They realize school isn't just a place you go to, it's a place where things happen to you. Admissions for 2026-27 are open right now.